Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Monday, we saw some profit taking in the market. In fact, it was serious profit taking. Most of the indices closed at the lowest point of the day, and the market has broken all its important level like 22,500, 400, as well as it closed just above the level of 22,300. So, while looking at the entire setup of the market, we are of the view that the current fall is corrective in nature, but at the same time it is heading towards the previous important support level of 22,200, which means we need to be a little bit careful in case if it breaks the level of 22,200. But at the same time, as it's a corrective in nature, between 22,270 22,230, we should look for taking some long position in the market with a tight stop loss at 22,180. On the higher side, 22,450 will act as resistance, and above that only we can expect some bullishness. Otherwise, we are expecting Nifty to remain in a range, and the main important reason of being in the to remain in the range is US is going to announce its inflation number in the evening, and that will keep the sentiment subdued. If the inflation number, I'm going to say, if inflation drops, then we can expect tomorrow a better session. But otherwise, we are expecting market to remain sideways till the announcement comes from the US. Also, India is going to announce its monthly inflation numbers at 5:30 in the evening, and that will also increase some pressure on the market at higher levels. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw gradual weakness. It was below the levels of 47,500 when it closed. So the next level to watch out for would be 47,000, 46,900. There the Bank Nifty is having excellent support, and we should look for taking some contra bets of going long close to 47,000, 46,900 levels, but with a tight stop loss at 46,500. We are expecting specific rebound in bank stocks from 46,900 or 47,000 levels. On the higher side, 47,500 and 900 will be resistance for it. Reliance was down. It is heading for the levels of 2,900 where it has support of last few trading sessions. So there you can see some buying interest, but at current levels, it is better to stay away from taking any position in the stock. And finally, for IT companies, today's inflation number will decide the next specific trend for IT companies, because if the number falls, then we can see some specific buying interest in IT companies in the near term. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.